Hello, my content connoisseurs. Welcome to Dynamodel. Today we're going to talk about the Access Modelworks Osiris Aerial Dominator, also known as the Master Grade Kshatriya Bandai refuses to give us fans. Word on the street is Bandai price points their kits by weight of plastic in the box. I don't know if this is true or not, but I guess if it is, that just means that Bandai thinks the Master Grade Kshatriya would be too rich for its weight. This is that part of the program where I would normally include a paid sponsor, except for nobody's actually sponsoring this channel. So instead, I'm going to hypnotize you guys into subscribing. So why don't you take a minute and hit that subscribe button. Now back to your program. I was on break in my day job and I ran across a VCA Gundam's build and review video. They had a link to order these, so I went ahead and ordered a couple of them. Unfortunately, in today's political climate, they didn't make it here. After a few emails with a gentleman named Mr. Sky, he was kind enough to refund them to me, and I was able to order another one off of AliExpress. By the way, by VCA's pre-order policy, they don't actually have to refund a pre-order should you not get it. I've included a link to their store down below. Solid dealer if you're not in the US. Which brings us to today, unboxing the Osiris. And the box is a beast. It's a little less than 2 feet. It comes like a Christmas present with black paper, green ribbon. It's also adorned with 3 shipping tags. This way you know where it's going, and also where it's been. Anyway, let me grab a knife. So, what do we have here in this thing? Oh, there we go. It's another box. This looks like it is the inner frame here. Kind of a cool base. So we have some pieces. We have a, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, really nice metallic sheen, almost to where you don't have to paint this kit. Few pieces come loose on the runners, but they look like they're intact. So here's some of the inner pieces of the shield. Now, I will say this isn't a Bandai kit. Plastic does seem a little thin, where none of it's broken. They did a really great job with the metal coatings on these. They're actually planning on painting it. I was going to snap build at first because it's such a massive kit. And there's some of it that I don't know if I'm actually going to paint. I don't know if that's worth painting, you know? And we got on the other side here, funnels. Another part that's come loose right there. Yeah, a few parts that have come loose. And you have the instructions. They look pretty nice. Nice and detailed. They walk you through the legs first. And it looks like what you do is you actually build the inner frame first. So that's kind of cool. I like that. And then for the next box, oh my gosh, this is heavy. This thing is a beast. Let me get this out of the way. This looks like the LED lighting kit. I'm actually really excited about this after doing the Dynamodel. I'm not really looking forward to any more lights. Open. So in here we got the instructions. And those actually look relatively concise. It looks like it's kind of a ready-made kit where it's totally plug and play. So that's very cool. Trying to not get reflections in this. And then the clear parts for all of the funnels. Looks like that's it. So that's a very cool LED setup. Obviously it doesn't come with batteries. I think we addressed that in the last video. Now let's see what's in the big box. Has a bead. So they are labeled. And inside the box, what's in the box? Anyway, so runners. Little shields. Obviously, these are all shield components. Oh man, this thing is a beast. Break the clear parts. Looks like parts of the legs. The thrusters. Look at the size of them thrusters, baby. I'm liking this. Holy clear parts, that man. We got about 2 in each package. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is obviously all the armor parts. I don't think I'm going to take them all out though. I'm not starting this yet. It seems like they're... Anyway, you guys get the idea. We'll put these right back in, right in their exact same spot. They're not going to go in. I don't know if I'm going to paint the inner frame on this one. Some of those coatings look so nice that it might be kind of cool to leave them as it is. I don't know if I could paint that metal any better. Anyway, like and subscribe, tune in so you don't miss this epic build, and I'll see you guys later. Hey, I want to talk to you guys about something. Does doom scrolling have you down? Is the internet's information exchange rate making you feel like you booked a passage on a Zeppelin in bad weather? If so, you came to the right place. Dynamodel, where at this channel we try to build model kits and discuss anime pop culture, movies, comics, and video games. Hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you don't miss it when I drop something a little more lighthearted. I'm saying this because I really care about your guys' mental health. Mental health's important. So hit those buttons now, and I'll see you guys in the next video and hopefully make you smile.